And what's up? In today's video, Reed broke his car.
I didn't break my car. I broke my seat.
Yeah, well, that's still technically breaking something in your car. I fucking butchered my car. Not really. So we still have the oil leak. And I'm doing this video because I was going to pretty much, like, the next couple videos I was going to have was pretty much going to be driving the car and all that. But here's the problem I'm having. And you're not really going to see it here in the car too well. Actually, kind of. Hold on, let me just bring me. I cannot figure out how to fucking get the data login. I hook it up, I install the drivers, but I am too stupid with computers to really understand. And I have went through 4 cables now, because every time I update the drivers, they go to a hidden device on my computer, and it can no longer read. And I'm plugging it into Niztune, it just doesn't do anything. There's a connectivity issue, but it's connecting. So that's the issue I'm having. I'm just gonna take it to Billy tomorrow and just show up. I can't drive the fucking car, dummy.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That oil is scary.
Not the oil. I don't care about that.
That oil's so scary.
Just keep filling it up. It's fine.
Well, yeah, but I'm not saying it's not gonna work, but
I'm fixing the oil today. But I am also having an issue. I'm not gonna get under my car with my camera. Maybe with my GoPro here in a minute. But yeah, this whole time, these front wheels have been rubbing against my coilovers like a mother. So I gotta wait for spacers, which should be in tomorrow. So that's why I'm taking the car tomorrow and not today. So today, I'm going to be replacing the tie rods.
a lot of dick for free.
That too, but tie rods got to get replaced. I got to fix the oil leak, and then there's another power steering leak. I don't know how or where it came from, but it's there. But I'm going to fix that, fix the oil leak.
No power steering.
I'm going to do an oil change, and then fix the tie rods, because, I mean, like, look at this big-ass spider. Reed, come wiggle my wheel for me real quick, just so I can get that on camera, because the people need to see this.
Oh, you're talking about your fucking tie rods?
Yep, look at that.
Well, you can hear your rack starting to fucking eat up, too. You hear that, like, that clunking?
Fine. Yeah, the rack's fine.
For now.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, but when you have a rack that's not getting fluid to it and it's still powered,
that's fine.
It's dry.
It's fine.
And those gears in there,
fine.
they're little tiny teeth, you know, and they go like this,
yeah,
you know?
Good. It's alright.
You know, and when there's no oil in between there, those teeth get hot when you're turning a lot, you know? Like when you're drifting,
yeah,
you know? And that's why my rack sounds like 50 times worse than that.
Yeah, we're just going to send it. Before I get started in today's video, let's take a look at what happened to Reed's car.
This is how a 240 seat's supposed to look. Not like that.
Not fully come off.
Ow. That is not what seats are supposed to do.
I really wish I had video of you drifting, because that shit would have been hilarious to see you just drive it and then
Dude,
all of a
no,
sudden,
seriously.
Whoop.
Me, Eric, and Devin are out and fucking. We went to the spot by Clack, where Keaton goes.
Yeah.
And fucking, we're sitting there and I hit it, and then I come back around, and then I was coming back around to the fucking cul-de-sac part of it. And I flicked out in the cul-de-sac, and I literally go from this to this. I almost crashed my car.
Here's kind of another oopsies that I did by accident. Yeah, my wheels were rubbing. And, yeah, let's go take a look at what the fuck they were rubbing. The coilovers. Let's see if I can... Yep. You can see I painted it because it was just metal. And I don't really care. Nobody really sees this anyway, so just glob some paint on it. Call it good. I still got to figure out... Oh, overexposed like a mother. Why that? Well, we'll figure that out. See, it's already starting to get kind of grooved. So I think, I don't know, man. I think if I fix my actual power, my brake booster, that they'll actually get enough pressure to fucking actually compress all the way and go evenly. I don't know. That's how I think of it, because I didn't install those backwards or wrong or anything like that. I mean, they're on there, so I don't fucking know. We'll figure that out later. But yeah, anyways. I was going to grab my GoPro, but my GoPro is actually like really low on battery. So yeah, we got, these tie rods are fucked. Like fuckered. And we got an oil leak over here still. So probably just something I'm going to just do off camera, just because the GoPro's being the GoPro right now. And actually I don't really have a whole lot of space, so you guys won't even see much. It'll be all like super zoomed in. So anyways, Tie rod's fucked. Gonna replace those. I was gonna wait to replace those to get my arms, but this car is obviously having some problems. And then I'm gonna try and figure out the brakes as well. See if I can fix those before getting the rest of the Chase Bay, which, by the way, I got a Chase Bay brake booster eliminator for my booster, so it's just a plate pretty much with the master, but I got to get the brake line kit, which is a stupid $300. So I'm waiting for my paycheck to grab that, and then after that we should be pretty much good. But I'm going to fix the oil leak today, power steering leak, and these fucking tie rods, man. Alright, I am using the GoPro for this because my hands are covered in oil, and my GoPro is a lot cheaper than my fucking Sony. So, I made a mess. That's why I have a tarp under here. But here we got the bung for the oil drain. I've tried Teflon tape. I used a little too little last time, so it was leaking. And then, as you can see, this time around, I have a fucking ass ton on, and I Teflon taped the shit out of it, and it worked for a while, and then, you know, once all this oil started building up over it, wearing it down, it got bad again. So this time around, I'm trying to finish getting all this Teflon tape off, but this time around I got actual thread sealant, so hopefully this time it'll work out pretty well. And I think this will work a lot better, actually, because it's an actual gel sealant, so like oil ain't gonna like soak into it like the Teflon tape and, you know, create paths of resistance, or, you know, it just won't fucking leak. At least that's my hope for it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna fix right now. I just ate a sandwich. That was fire. Anyways, got all the shiz, and then there's this little paint marker. What I'm doing now, I'm probably gonna finish this up tomorrow, like actually do the rest of it. I'm gonna try and get it done tonight, but there's other stuff I gotta do this evening, so yeah. But here we go. Okay, so you can see it perfect. So yeah, obviously I'm just marking up the threads on the old ones, so when I take this off, because I need to take this off first. I'm gonna break this loose first, break the inner tie rod out first, and then I'm gonna break this second, and then I'm gonna break this, and then take this off, take it off that, and then take it off there. Should be easier that way, because every time I've tried to do it, like taking it off as like one whole piece, it doesn't exactly work out. So if I take it off in pieces in a certain way, it'd be easier to break it off this way, because it's got tension over here, it's all, you know, hooked up and everything, and then same with this, and then you finally loosen it from the hub assembly itself. So yeah, marking it up just so when I get the new one on, because I'm not gonna go get this aligned right away like I should, but I'm buying arms, suspension arms, front and rear for the car, brand new. It's gonna have to get aligned for that anyways. It still needs to get aligned because of the coilovers as well, so like there's this, I don't want to have to keep going back to the alignment shop, so I'm gonna eyeball it, get it good enough before I go get it actually aligned. But I want to try and get all this off tonight before I have to go do shit in the next like hour and a half, and then poof. Yeah, I know the audio on the GoPro sucks, but I'm super stoked to have it, because I mean, like, I don't know if you guys are able to see, like, just how dirty you get. But like my Sony, I'd be so worried about touching it just because like it's fucking a really expensive camera. GoPro, not at all. This thing was $100. So here is the new one, and I just remembered something. You know what? I gotta tighten this up still, like lock it, but I didn't actually have to replace the inner because the inner is fucking fine still. So I bought inners, but now I just have spares because, you know, drifting, these are what bend when you crash and hit stuff and whatnot. So I guess it is a good thing that I have extras. No biggie, don't mind it. So I'll replace these when these actually bend, because it was the outer, you know, like no more play compared to the other side, compared to this side, which has a fucking ton of play. So, and you can't see that one, but you can see this one. I'm sure that one over there looks the same as this one. So, yep. Cool. So I'll just replace the outer, so I'm definitely going to get this done today, because easy peasy lemon squeezy. So with that done, I think I fixed the power steering leak again. I actually got to put some ATF in it. So once I get all that, the outer tie rod's done, I want to fill it up with oil, put an oil filter back on, and the power steering. By the way, too, if you're building one of these motors too, I have God, you're not going to see it. Ooh, but I got a GoPro. You know what I can do? I can do this. Look. Oh, you can see it. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, so that is the glow shift oil filter adapter. Now, the threading and whatnot is a completely different size than factory oil filter. So here, burn this into your guys' image. If you're building a KAT and you just kind of don't want to do the research yourself, this is an oil filter that will work for that. It's like a little bit smaller, like width-wise or lengthwise, than the factory one, but all the specs are the same as far as, like, you know, the filtering. And the only thing different is it's a little bit shorter and the thread pitch and all that, so it will work on the sandwich plate. But it's ST3310 is the part number. It's a Bosch. I figured I'd just throw that in this video in case people who actually watch my videos on actually building cars is interested too, because I'm learning, you're learning, we're all learning. I can learn things from you guys too. You just got to put them in the comments so I don't make the same mistakes. But yeah, gonna finish this up right now and then end this video. All right, it's kind of bright out, but yeah, I got him fixed. And I wanted to grab my actual fucking big boy camera for this, just because it's a little easier. But yeah, they're all replaced now, at least the outers. Again, those are the only ones, after working on it, those are the only ones where I realized, you know, oh yeah, that's what causing the bad tie rod issues, because these aren't bent. So, and they still freely move fine. So yeah, we'll save the new ones for spares, because I will definitely be crashing this car at some point in its time. So I'm going to finish up adding the fluids, and then, but I don't need to be doing that on camera, so that's simple stuff, easy stuff. Again, oil filter, if you guys, you know, are running the glow shift adapter plate. I don't know about other oil adapters, but for the glow shift, that one I found. That actually took some time to find too. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm going to be taking this to the shop. Maybe I'll do a video going there. If I can get everything worked out, then I definitely will make a video, because then it will actually be content, not just a couple minutes of doing something. But yeah, I will see you guys all in the next video. Almost got 2,000 miles, but since I'm doing an oil change, I might just start drifting it after I get the tune all dialed in. We'll see. And with that, I'll see you guys all later. Okay, bye.